And welcome back to Primetime Sports Tuesday. Motorsport stakeholders are welcoming the news that 3 simulation centers for different types of motor driving will be opened in Jamaica with the aim to develop young drivers on the island across different disciplines. Denise Walters tells us more.
Stakeholders believe the simulation centers will be a game changer for Jamaican drivers.
The simulators that we are putting together will be able to put drivers in every type of car that we currently compete in with Jamaica, right? And the idea is that they don't have to invest in the cars themselves. They can replicate the cars and the setups in using our simulators and gain the experience necessary to become better drivers.
Motorsports is very expensive. So having the option to go on a simulator to experience it and to train yourself in, coach yourself in driving, or have a coach you, and do car setup, and you get to go on various tracks, drive various cars, it's extremely helpful.
Additionally, simulators are catching on across different motorsports disciplines.
In the Formula One drivers nowadays, they spend a vast amount of their time on simulators because they're so realistic and they help them in their everyday driving.
The announcement of the simulation centers was made recently at the S Hotel, where the centers will be located. The S Hotel already has a sim center that young driving sensation Zane Burgess, who was in the island recently, got some practice in. Meanwhile, with a number of Jamaican drivers doing well across various disciplines, they are seen as a motivating factor for young and upcoming drivers, with the possibility of having a Jamaican driver in Formula One.
It all goes very well for the sport in Jamaica because they're all inspiring. They're inspiring the drivers that are around them and that are younger than they are. And everybody is seeing that the dreams are achievable. This is a journey that started in 2019 when Alex Powell was signed by Mercedes-AMG F1 as the youngest person in history ever to be signed by a Formula One team. And it continued with young Mr. Craigie, who has also been signed by Mercedes 2 years ago. He is doing very, very well. And now we have the very exciting Zane Burgess.
Seeing that Zane is now going into the European events, it shows a lot of promise for his chances. The quality of drivers that any island produces or any country produces, once you have that natural talent, you have that natural talent. So the possibility is there. I mean, Alex has reached very far, was signed by Mercedes at one point. The possibility is there for sure.
Denise Walters for TVJ Sports.